Y'all missed the aftermath of, well, that's sort of aftermath of the lawnmower in the car, so we're yanking the lawnmower behind my cousin's truck. Oh, it came untied. I just feel sorry for the viewers. Unless somebody has an ass fetish, it ain't good. There we go. And the destruction begins. It broke. Whoa! Ain't that just smart?
I want to make sure I got close.
I ain't coming out of just off your truck.
I broke that.
It did? Oh yeah, let's see. For a scooter. Come on, the Egyptians can do it. I'm pretty sure you can. They moved a freaking brick. A big brick. We need that beach.